Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to solve Excel runtime error -2147 automation error. This message usually occurs when macros, VBA scripts, or external add-ins fail to execute properly. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel runtime error -2147 automation error using 6 fixes. Solution 1, check the VBA references. The very first step you need to take to solve the 2146 error is to check the VBA references. Incorrect or missing VBA references can trigger automation errors. To check the references, open Excel. Press Alt plus F11 keys together to open the VBA editor. Click on Tools, then References. Now, look for the missing references and uncheck them. Re-add the correct library if required. Solution 2, enable all macros. The next solution is to ensure that macros are enabled in your Excel settings. To do this, go to File, then Options. In the Excel Options dialog, click on Trust Center in the left pane. Click on the Trust Center Settings button on the right. In the Trust Center dialog, select Macro Settings in the left pane. Choose Enable All Macros or Enable Macros with Notification, depending on your security preferences. Solution 3, enable or disable add-ins in safe mode. Enable or disable add-ins in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, go to the File, then Options, then click Add-ins. At the bottom, you must have Manage, Add-in. Press Go. Untick all the add-ins to disable. Close the application, and then start it usually. Solution 4, update the Excel app to the latest version. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can even help you to fix Excel runtime error -2147 automation error. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Solution 5, use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve the error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is not opening. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 6, use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel runtime error -2147 automation error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.